Assalamualaikum dear listeners, welcome to all of you. Today my topic for class 8 is properties of parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram जानने से पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि what is a parallelogram. पहले हम parallelogram की definition देखते हैं. A quadrilateral having both pair of opposite sides parallel. The definition of parallelogram is a quadrilateral, which means that it is a four-sided polygon. Once we call it a quadrilateral, once we say that a parallelogram is a quadrilateral, a quadrilateral having both pair of opposite sides parallel is called a parallelogram. यानी सबसे पहले जो parallelogram है, it is a quadrilateral and it has four sides. Then it means that there is one extra thing which makes it a parallelogram, which renames the name quadrilateral. That is, it has both pair of opposite sides parallel. Let this be a quadrilateral ABCD. This is a quadrilateral ABCD. If this quadrilateral is such that both pair, ये और ये, if they are parallel, and if this and this, these opposite sides are parallel and these two are also parallel. If this thing is in the quadrilateral, if this happens in the quadrilateral that both pair of opposite sides are parallel, this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. These two sides are parallel and these two sides are parallel. We say that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Parallel means here if we produce this side indefinitely, यहाँ से indefinitely produce करेंगे, यहाँ से indefinitely produce करेंगे, यहाँ से indefinite produce करेंगे, यहाँ से indefinite produce करेंगे, but they never meets. This is called parallel. अगर हम AB को both sides produce करेंगे या DC को both sides produce करेंगे, लेकिन ये कहीं भी intersect नहीं करने चाहिए. That is, parallelogram AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. That is the definition of parallelogram. Now we are going towards its property. Property number first. Property number first. The first property that the opposite sides of a parallelogram, the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Which means that if we have a parallelogram ABCD, since this is a parallelogram, it is obvious this pair is parallel to each other and this pair is parallel to each other. Now the property first says that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, which means that in a parallelogram AB is also equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. So the difference is that the opposite sides are parallel. So what is the difference between this definition properties? Using this definition, only this. What is the definition of the parallelogram? This is the definition of parallelogram. Using this definition, we can prove these things. We can prove that AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. This is the first property of parallelograms. Property number second. Property number second. अब angles की बात है. The angles of a parallelogram, the angles, the opposite angles the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal in measure. Equal in measure. What is the second property? The second property is that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal in measure. मान लो कि हमारे पास कोई parallelogram है ABCD. If this is angle A, this is angle C, then they are opposite vertex. Angle A and angle C are opposite vertices. Why they are opposite vertices? Because there is no side connecting. There is no side of this parallelogram connecting these two vertices. So angle A, measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle C, and measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle D. Well, this is the second property of parallelograms. That is, both pair of opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C, and angle B is equal to angle D. Well, that is the second property of this parallelogram. Now the next property, the third one is third property, the adjacent angles. The adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Supplementary, we know supplementary means two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180. Sum equal to 180, then the two angles are said to be supplementary. The adjacent angles in a parallelogram. Let's draw once again a parallelogram ABCD. This is a parallelogram ABCD. So here we see what are the adjacent sides. What are the adjacent sides? Two sides are said to be adjacent if they have a common side. मान लो कि अगर ये एंगल A है, ये एंगल B है, both have a common side AB, so these two are adjacent. Besides this, अगर हम A और D को देखेंगे, they are also adjacent because they are connected by a side. Similarly, B and C, they are connected by a side, so B and C are also adjacent. Adjacent angles, all pairs of adjacent angles are equal. That is, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. ये adjacent हैं एक के बाद एक, तो इनका sum according to property they are supplementary. Supplementary means जिनका sum 180 होगा. इसी तरह angle B plus angle C it is also equal to 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D, they are also adjacent, एक के बाद एक. It is 180. And angle D plus angle A is equal to 180. Here, angle A and angle B are adjacent. But अगर हम यहाँ देखेंगे, angle A and angle B are also adjacent. A is adjacent with 2, B and D. B is also adjacent with two angles, angle A and angle C. C is also adjacent with B and D. D is also adjacent with C and A. So this was the property, third property of parallelograms. And the last one is that number 4th, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisects each other. Bisects each other. There is a difference between bisect and intersect. Intersect means when two lines meet, we say they are intersecting. But bisect, bi means two, sect means corner. So bisect means in two equal parts. Let's see here. Let this be a parallelogram. The diagonals. So we take diagonals. This is diagonal AC. Diagonal AC. And there is another diagonal BD. Let the intersect at O. Suppose, according to the property, the diagonals in a diagonals are AC and BD. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, which means that if this AC is one diagonal and this BD is another diagonal, once they meet in a parallelogram, they bisect each other. Suppose they intersect at O. That is, OA is equal to OB. इस डायगोनल जो AC डायगोनल था, इसको ये जो दूसरा डायगोनल है, इसने दो बराबर हिस्सों में डिवाइड किया है. एंड OB is equal to OC. और यहाँ भी this one is equal to this one. So these are the four properties of parallelograms. Number first, the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal in length. Number second, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are in equal measure. And number third is the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary, यानी उनका सम 180 होता है. Supplementary means जिनका सम 180 degree होगा. And the last one is that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisects each other. They bisects each other. जो पूरा diagonal है, once they meet, they divide it into two equal parts. ACB bisect होगा into OA and OC, and this BD ये also bisect होता है by this O where they meets, and it divides this BC into two equal parts, OB and equal to OC. That is all about today's topic.